Hello everyone, my name is Keshav Kumar Singh and I welcome you to this series where I'll share my experience of giving competitive examinations past year right after my graduation and to tell you what the fuss is all about. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So in this series, I'll show you how my time went from preparation to exam day, more or less like a storytelling, and post that how I ended up with the opportunity of sharing my story with Inside IIM.
For the past year at Inside IIM, we have been conducting one-on-one career coaching sessions as counsel, short domain-specific courses as masterclasses, and university-affiliated certificate programs. Now, we are extremely excited to announce that we have a new home for all these highly rated programs in altuni.in. So, if you are looking to earn a high salary, get a promotion, switch jobs, click on the link in the description or just visit altuni.in. Thank you, enjoy the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. Cheers.
So to start, I have divided this series into chapters and each chapter will show you a particular stage of what I was experiencing during my preparation and the mistakes I made during it. Furthermore, I have included 3 points: exam, brand and why, with their role in my preparation and how each of them is different from another. So make sure to like, share and comment on the video, leave your thoughts and the team will get back to you. Past year, crazy things were happening. First, we had the whole nationwide lockdown and because we all know why. And another crazy thing happened when I decided to maybe not, but यहाँ से कुछ start तो जरूर हो गया था. After 25th March 2020, it became very clear my holy holidays will going to be longer than ever because unlike me, most of the people have already started their preparation from the second year. But I decided to take it by surprise because to sum up, my last year went from graduation to COVID to preparation. So when I say first, I meant you're looking towards the mother of all examinations and my first point, exam. I know that you know about these examinations and which exam is required for which colleges specifically. But understand this as well, these are really highly competitive examinations and I made the mistake of taking them lightly and they indeed test us on so many other things just to pass the examinations. But when I said I'll prepare for CAT, I didn't thought of the long marathon in which I just don't have to run physically. मतलब घर से coaching से घर, ये सिर्फ इसके अलावा I have to train my brain also to let it know that you cannot stop my legs in between when I'm running. As soon as I decided that, I became an aspirant, competing with 2.5 lakh every other aspirant in the country. So I did what everyone was doing, started studying. This isn't something new. This is exactly the origin story of every other aspirant who got selected, who got not selected. But to tell you honestly, my preparation went from Josh to Hosh was really short. But I'll bring that to you in the next episode with my other 2 points. For now, thank you for watching and stay safe guys.